Today we are going to discuss a revision assignment of multiple choice questions. First question है, a crystalline solid has first option long range order, second option short range order, third disordered arrangement and last option है none of these. Crystalline solid has long range order, right? Glass is an example of first option है इसमें super cooled liquid, crystalline solid, none of these. Super cooled liquid. Glass is an example of super cooled liquid. Next है how many crystal systems are present? How many crystal systems are there? First option 7, 8, 14. Last option क्या है? 6. How many crystal systems present? 7. Right. Total crystal system कितने हैं? 7. Number of atoms present in one primitive cubic unit cell is first option है 1, second option 2, third 4, fourth option है 6. 1. Right. Next है close packed structure. In close packed structure of n sphere, capital N, the number of tetrahedral voids are first option at 4n, second 2n, third n, और last option है n by 2. 2n, right answer. Maximum percentage of next है maximum percentage of available volume that can be filled in face-centered cubic system by the atom is first option है 74%, face-centered है. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन क्या लिखवा रहे हैं आपको 74%, सेकंड ऑप्शन 68%, थर्ड 34 एंड फोर्थ ऑप्शन है 99%. 74%. राइट बच्चे, नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज आपके साथ डिस्कस करते हैं. फॉर अ रिएक्शन, एक रिएक्शन है जिसमें A plus B plus C give rise to product. For a reaction A plus B plus C give rise to product. The rate of reaction is equal to is equal to K. Concentration of A raised to power half, concentration of B raised to power 1 by 3, concentration of C raised to power 1. What is the order of reaction? What is order of reaction? A is concentration raised to power 1 by 2, B 1 by 3, C 1. What is the order of reaction? Options है आपके पास first 3, then 1, 5 by 6, 11 by 6. 11 by 6. Right answer is 11 by 6. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 कितना हो जाएगा? 11 by 6. Clear? Any doubt in this part? No? Okay. Next MCQ है, which of given is a colligative property? First, vapor pressure, second, boiling point, third, osmotic pressure, D all of above. Osmotic pressure is a colligative property. Next MCQ, how many grams of sodium hydroxide? How many grams of sodium hydroxide will be needed to prepare 250 ml of 0.1 molar solution? How many grams of sodium hydroxide will be needed to prepare 250 ml of 0.1 molar solution? First option है 1 gram, next 10 gram, third 4 gram and fourth 6 gram. How many grams of sodium hydroxide will be needed to prepare 250 ml of 0.1 molar solution? You know polarity is equal है. Yes, आंसर बताइए क्या होगा? 1 gram, right? कौन से ऑप्शन की? फर्स्ट वन, that is 1 gram. Next है which colligative property colligative property is used to calculate molecular mass of biomolecules such as protein. First है osmotic pressure. Second option आपको given है इसमें depression of freezing point. Third elevation in boiling point. Fourth है lowering of vapor pressure. Osmotic pressure colligative property is used to find the molecular mass of biomolecules such as proteins. Right. Next MCQ discuss करते हैं. Next MCQ है the molar conductivity of sodium chloride NaCl, HCl and sodium acetate CH3CONA. Molar conductivities of NaCl, HCl and CH3CONA at infinite dilution. Values लिखिए बेटा. 126.45, 426.16 and 91. Repeat करती हूँ. 126.45, 426.16 and 91. Unit सब सबको पता है? Respectively, the molar conductivity of acetic acid CH3COH at infinite dilution. ये आपने find out करना है. First option है 201.28, second है 698.28, third 390.71 and fourth है 540.48. आपको यहाँ पे मोलर कंडक्टिविटी NaCl की गिवन है, HCl की गिवन है, सोडियम एसिटेट की गिवन है. आपने मोलर कंडक्टिविटी किसकी फाइंड आउट करनी है? एसिटिक एसिड की. यस, वेरी गुड. करेक्ट आंसर कौन सा? यस, वेरी गुड. आंसर इज 390.71. थर्ड ऑप्शन करेक्ट ऑप्शन है. Next MCQ. Which of the given is macromolecular colloid? Which one of given is macromolecular colloid? First option है artificial rubber, second protein, third nylon, fourth all the given. Macromolecular colloids. Yes, all the above. Next step, what is called to temperature at which the formation of micelles take place? What is called to temperature at which the formation of micelle take place? Zero temperature, Kraft temperature, Kelvin temperature, absolute temperature. Kraft temperature, right? Next step, by which method? By which method AS2S3 arsenic sulfide, AS2S3 sol can be obtained by reaction between AS2O3 and H2S. Reduction, oxidation, hydrolysis, double decomposition. Right, double decomposition. Next, multiple choice question. Ostwald process is used for the manufacturing of nitric acid, sulfuric acid, orthophosphoric acid, none of these. Nitric acid, right? Next step, the acid used in lead storage cell is first option है phosphorus acid, phosphoric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid. First है phosphoric acid, second nitric acid, third sulfuric acid, fourth hydrochloric acid. Sulfuric acid is used in lead storage cell. Next है at what temperature both alpha and beta form of sulfur are stable? First option is 369 degree centigrade. Next है 369 Kelvin. Next है 4 degree and 0 degree. 369 Kelvin temperature at which both alpha and beta form are both alpha and beta form of sulfur are stable, right? Next है, which of the given is not considered as transition element? First है option cadmium, second palladium, silver, then fourth manganese. Cadmium is not a transition element. Next है thionyl chloride is best for the preparation of chlorine compound from alcohol. Thionyl chloride used for the preparation of chlorine compound from the alcohol because first option है reaction goes almost to completion. Second, the byproducts are gases. Third, reagent is cheap. Fourth, none of above. Both side products are byproducts are gases. Right. Next है when sodium salts of ethanol, sodium salts of ethanol, sodium ethoxide हो जाएगा. Sodium salt of ethanol is treated with ethyl bromide. The product formed is क्या बनता है जब सोडियम सॉल्ट्स ऑफ इथेनॉल एंड इथाइल ब्रोमाइड रिएक्ट करता है? ईथर्स. तो आपने बताना है इसमें से कौन सा ईथर बनेगा जब सोडियम सॉल्ट्स ऑफ इथेनॉल ट्रीट करवाएंगे हम किसके साथ? इथाइल ब्रोमाइड के साथ. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है मिथॉक्सी इथेन, सेकंड इथॉक्सी इथेनॉल, थर्ड मिथाइल इथाइल कीटोन, लास्ट है इथॉक्सी इथेन. इथॉक्सी इथेन, इथॉक्सी इथेन, इसमें क्या बनेगा हमारा? ईथर्स बनेंगे. क्लियर? Which of the given reaction will give ethane? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड विद सोडियम, ठीक है. सेकंड है इथाइल ब्रोमाइड विद मैग्नीशियम, थर्ड है इथेनॉल विद concentrated H2SO4, फोर्थ ऑप्शन है इथाइल ब्रोमाइड विद पोटेशियम साइनाइड. इसमें से राइट ऑप्शन कौन सी है? First one, that is methyl bromide with sodium. Okay. Next है hydrolysis of CH3CHCl2. Hydrolysis of CH3CHCl2 with aqueous KOH gives first option है CH3CHO, second CHCl3, third option है CH3COH, फोर्थ है CH3CH2OH. एसिटाल्डिहाइड बनेगा, क्लोरोफॉर्म, एसिटिक एसिड या फिर इथाइल अल्कोहल. राइट, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन राइट ऑप्शन है CH3CHO, CH3CHO इथेनॉल. नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यू है हमारा टू प्रिपेयर ब्यूटेन-2-ol. To prepare butane-2-ol using methyl magnesium iodide. To prepare butane-2-ol using methyl magnesium iodide, what other chemical would you select? First option है हमारे पास propanol, second ethanol, third ethanol and fourth propane-2-ol. To prepare ब्यूटेन-2-ol यूजिंग मिथाइल मैग्नीशियम आयोडाइड. आपने प्रिपेयर क्या करना है? ब्यूटेन-2-ol यूज किसको कर रहे हो? मिथाइल मैग्नीशियम आयोडाइड को. और दूसरा केमिकल कौन सा होगा? प्रोपेनॉल, इथेनॉल, इथेनॉल एंड प्रोपेन-2-ol. प्रोपेनॉल, प्रोपेनॉल. आपने लोगों को प्रिपेयर करना है ना बेटा. हमने प्रिपेयर यहाँ पे क्या करना है? ब्यूटेन-2-ol. तो हमारी ऑप्शन यहाँ पे कौन सी करेक्ट होगी? प्रोपेनॉल. क्लियर? Next है primary alcohol can be best be changed to aldehyde. Primary alcohol can be changed to aldehyde by using reagent. Primary alcohol can be changed to aldehyde by using reagent. First है pyridinium chlorochromate, that is PCC. Next यहाँ पे ऑप्शन है potassium dichromate. Third potassium permanganate. Fourth हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड. हमें प्राइमरी अल्कोहल को किस में कन्वर्ट करना है? एल्डिहाइड्स में. तो कौन सी ऑप्शन राइट होगी? यस राइट, पीसीसी, पायरिडिनियम क्लोरोक्रोमेट. राइट बच्चे, यहाँ तक क्लियर है सबको? नेक्स्ट methyl ketone. Which compound is oxidized to prepare ethyl methyl ketone? First option है isopropyl alcohol, next sec butyl alcohol, n-butyl alcohol and third butyl alcohol. तो ये क्या करेक्ट है? sec butyl alcohol, right? मुझे sec butyl alcohol is oxidized and यहाँ पे क्या prepare होगा? ethyl methyl ketone. Next MCQ, propanoyl chloride. Propanoyl chloride is subjected to reduction with H2 in white xylene in presence of palladium spotted on barium sulfate. Repeat करती हूँ. Propanoyl chloride is subjected to reduction with H2 in white xylene in presence of palladium spotted on barium sulfate. The product formed is first option है acetone, second propanol, third ethanol and fourth option है propanoic acid. Propanol. Product formed is propanol. ठीक है जी. Next है which of the given compound will not give yellow PPT with iodine and NaOH. आइडोफॉर्म टेस्ट हो गया ये आयोडीन सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के साथ और आप सबको पता है आइडोफॉर्म टेस्ट किसमें होता है? मिथाइल कीटोन्स में. तो बताइए इसमें से कौन सा कंपाउंड है जो आइडोफॉर्म टेस्ट नहीं देगा? That will not give the yellow PPT with iodine and NaOH. First option है pentane-2-on, second है benzophenone, third acetone, fourth acetophenone. Benzophenone, right? Benzophenone will not give yellow PPT with iodine and sodium hydroxide. Right बच्चे. Next आपको मुझे बताना है IUPAC name of protonaldehyde. What is IUPAC name of protonaldehyde? First option यहाँ पे given है butanol, second but2-enol, third 2-methyl-butanol, fourth none of these. याद कीजिए एल्डोल कंडेंसेशन में आपने इस कंपाउंड को प्रिपेयर किया था. राइट बच्चे but2-enol. But2-enol is IUPAC name of protonaldehyde. Next है which of the given reaction give both oxidized and reduced form of same compound? Which of given reaction give both oxidized and reduced form of same compound? First option है aldol condensation, second Cannizzaro reaction, third RT reaction and fourth is Colbitz reaction. Right, Cannizzaro reaction. Next MCQ, the product formed by reaction of methyl magnesium iodide with ethanol. Product formed by reaction of methyl magnesium iodide with ethanol followed by hydrolysis is first option है propan-1-ol, second propan-2-ol, third propanol and fourth 2-iodo-propan-1-ol. Propan-2-ol. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है Goldkirchner reduction convert cyclobutanol. कीटोन से हमने किसी में क्या बनता है? cyclobutanol to cyclobutanol, cyclobutylaldehyde and butane. Last option है cyclobutane. Right, cyclobutane. cyclobutanol से यहाँ पे क्या बन जाएगा? cyclobutane. Next MCQ है heating a mixture of sodium benzoate and soda lime. Sodium benzoate and soda lime gives first option है हमारे पास methane, second benzene, third benzoic acid, fourth calcium benzoate. Right, benzene. Heating a mixture of sodium benzoate and soda lime forms benzene. Next MCQ है give the IUPAC name of CH CH twice CH ऑप्शन है हमारे पास प्रोपेन 2 ओइक एसिड, ठीक है, आइसोब्यूटेनोइक एसिड, थर्ड है 2 मिथाइल प्रोपेनोइक एसिड एंड लास्ट ऑप्शन है 2 मिथाइल ब्यूटेनोइक एसिड। राइट ऑप्शन कौन सी बेटा इसमें? व्हाट इज राइट? यस राइट, 2 मिथाइल प्रोपेनोइक एसिड, राइट, 2 मिथाइल प्रोपेनोइक एसिड। Next MCQ, which of the given is 2 degree amine? First option isopropylamine, second sec-butylamine, third N-methylbutanamine और fourth है dimethylamine। मैं repeat करती हूँ, which of the given is 2 degree amine? Isopropylamine, second option है sec-butylamine, third है N-methylbutanamine and fourth is dimethylamine. Right is N-methylbutanamine. N-methylbutanamine. Next MCQ, carbonyl amine reaction converts aniline into, carbonyl amine reaction में aniline किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है हमारे पास नाइट्रोबेंजीन, सेकंड N-methylamine, थर्ड है बेंजोनाइट्राइल, लास्ट ऑप्शन है फिनाइल आइसोसाइनाइड। फिनाइल आइसोसाइनाइड कार्बाइल अमाइन रिएक्शंस में एनिलीन किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है? फिनाइल आइसोसाइनाइड में। नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यू देखिए, गैब्रियल थैलेमाइड सिंथेसिस। गैब्रियल थैलेमाइड सिंथेसिस इज यूज्ड इन द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है हमारे पास 1 डिग्री अमाइन, 2 degree amine, 3 degree amine and mixture of all type of amine. 1 degree amine. Gabriel thalamide synthesis is used for preparation of pure primary amine. Okay. Next MCQ देखिए, reaction of any primary amine. Reaction of any primary amine with chloroform and ethanolic solution of KOH. Chloroform and ethanolic solution of KOH is known as Hoffman reaction, RT reaction, carbylamine reaction, Corbett reaction. Reaction of primary amine with chloroform and ethanolic solution of KOH, carbylamine reaction, right? Hinsberg reagent is C6H5COCl, मैं नेम नहीं बोलूंगी, मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ? फॉर्मूलास। हिंसबर्ग रिएजेंट इज C6H5COCl, सेकंड ऑप्शन है CH3COCl, थर्ड ऑप्शन है C6H5CH2Cl, लास्ट है C6H5SO2Cl। yes, C6H5SO2Cl, benzene sulfonyl chloride। नेक्स्ट है reaction of nitrous acid with aliphatic primary amine in cold gives, किसकी रिएक्शन? nitrous acid with aliphatic primary amine in cold gives diazonium salt, alcohol, nitrile या फिर डाई? alcohol। nitrous acid with aliphatic primary amines at temperature 273 to 278 Kelvin क्या बनता है यहाँ पे? alcohol। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट MCQ है, which of the given is not monosaccharide? Which of the given is not a monosaccharide? Ribose, second option maltose, third glucose and fourth fructose. Maltose is not a monosaccharide. Next है sequence of amino acids in polypeptide chain. Sequence of amino acids in polypeptide chain in a protein is known as primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary and quaternary structure. Primary structure, right? Which is primary structure.